What's up, everyone? It's Mikey, and let's be real, you've probably heard all the buzz about crypto. Maybe you've seen Bitcoin hit crazy highs or heard stories of people making life-changing money. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the crypto game into 10 simple steps, taking you from absolute beginner to savvy investor. So buckle up, grab your notepads, and let's dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Before you even think about throwing your hard-earned money into crypto, you need to understand the fundamentals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy an apartment building without understanding how real estate works, right? Crypto is the same way. You need to grasp the basics of blockchain technology. That's the tech behind cryptocurrencies. A great place to start is by watching an introductory video like Blockchain Basics by IBM. It's a quick but informative watch that'll give you a solid foundation. And hey, learning doesn't stop there. Bookmark reputable educational sites like Coinbase Learn. They offer tons of resources and articles on everything crypto, from basic concepts to more advanced trading strategies. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. Remember, investing without understanding is like gambling. And I don't know about you, but I prefer to have a bit more control over my money than that. Now, as you're learning, don't get bogged down by the technical jargon. Focus on understanding the core concepts. What is blockchain? How do transactions work? What are the different types of cryptocurrencies? Once you have a grasp of the basics, start exploring different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the big players, but there are thousands of others, each with its own unique purpose and technology. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to become a crypto expert overnight. The key is to consistently educate yourself. Stay updated on industry news and never stop learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions and navigate the exciting, ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to choose your crypto trading ground. The cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like your stock brokerage account, but for crypto. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. Choose a reputable platform with a proven track record. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Do your research and read reviews. Once you've picked your exchange, create an account. This involves providing personal information and going through KYC. It's all about keeping your account secure. Explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the interface. The more comfortable you are, the smoother your trading experience. Remember, security should be your top priority when choosing an exchange. Look for platforms that offer two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a unique code from your phone in addition to your password. Don't underestimate the importance of strong, unique passwords. And whatever you do, don't use the same password for your crypto exchange that you use for other online accounts. That's just asking for trouble. Also, consider the exchange's track record with security breaches. Has it been hacked in the past? How did they handle the situation? A little research can go a long way in protecting your investments. Remember, choosing a reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchange is crucial for a safe and successful crypto journey. All right, so you've learned about blockchain and you've got your exchange account set up. Now let's talk about keeping your crypto safe. This is where crypto wallets come in. Think of a crypto wallet like your personal digital vault for your cryptocurrencies. You wouldn't walk around with your life savings in a paper bag, would you? It's the same concept here. There are different types of wallets, each with its own pros and cons. You've got your hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are offline and considered more secure. For most beginners, I'd recommend starting with a reputable hot wallet app. They're user-friendly, easily accessible, and offer a good balance of security and convenience. Once you've chosen your hot wallet, download the app and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually a pretty straightforward process. Now here comes the most crucial part. backing up your recovery phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that's generated when you first set up your wallet, and it's the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper, not on your computer, not in your notes app, but on physical paper. Keep this paper safe, like Fort Knox safe. Remember, if you lose this phrase, you lose access to your crypto. No exceptions. This is not like forgetting your online banking password. This is like flushing your money down the toilet if you lose it. Now that your wallet's ready, it's time to load it up. You'll need to connect your bank account to your chosen cryptocurrency exchange. Most exchanges make this pretty simple. You'll usually find an option like Add Funds or Link Bank Account in your account settings. For your first deposit, I recommend starting small, maybe around $100. This way you can get a feel for the process and test the waters without risking too much capital. Double-check all the details before hitting that confirm button, and remember, it might take a few business days for the funds to appear in your exchange account. One thing to keep in mind is that exchanges usually charge a small fee for deposits, especially when you're using a debit card or credit card. These fees can vary depending on the exchange and the payment method, so it's always a good idea to compare and see which option works best for you. Bank transfers are generally the cheapest way to deposit funds, but they can take a bit longer to process. So be patient, and once the funds show up in your exchange wallet, you're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, we're about to get into the exciting part, actually investing in cryptocurrency. But before you even think about buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need to do your homework. The crypto market is like the Wild West. It's volatile, it's risky, and there are a lot of scams out there. That's why research and analysis are absolutely crucial. Don't just blindly follow the hype or listen to some random person on Twitter telling you what to buy. You need to understand what you're investing in. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about a particular cryptocurrency, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. For this step, I want you to pick 3 cryptocurrencies that pique your interest. Maybe you've heard of them before, or maybe they're completely new to you. Once you have your 3, it's research time. Look into their use cases. What problems are they trying to solve? What makes them unique? Check out their recent developments. Are they making progress? Are they gaining traction? Write down your findings. Keep a journal. Create a spreadsheet. Do whatever works for you to organize your research. All right, so you've researched a few cryptos and you're ready to jump in. But before you throw all your money into that one hot coin everyone's talking about, let's talk about diversification. Remember, in the crypto world, putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a house in a neighborhood where all the houses are the same, right? You'd want some variety, some different styles and features to make sure your investment is protected. The same goes for crypto. By spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies, you're essentially diversifying your risk. If one coin takes a hit, you've got others to cushion the blow. Don't get me wrong, diversification doesn't completely eliminate risk, but it's like having a safety net for your investments. So, how do you actually build a diversified portfolio? Well, there are a few ways to go about it. You can use a simple spreadsheet to track your investments, or you can use a portfolio tracker app. There are tons of these apps out there, but some popular ones are Delta and CoinStats. These apps can help you visualize your portfolio, track your profits and losses, and even set up price alerts. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Remember, building a diversified portfolio is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once and forget about. As you learn more about the crypto market and your risk tolerance, you'll want to adjust your portfolio accordingly. Okay, so you've done your research, you've built a diversified portfolio, now it's time to finally buy some crypto. But with so many exchanges out there, which one should you choose? Well, for beginners, I often recommend Binance. It's one of the largest and most reputable exchanges in the world, with a user-friendly interface and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Now, when you're buying crypto, you'll typically use something called a market order. This basically means you're buying the cryptocurrency at the current market price. It's the simplest and fastest way to buy. Once you've placed your order, it should be filled pretty quickly. And voila, you're officially a crypto investor. Now, here's an important step that a lot of beginners miss securing your investment. You see, when you buy crypto on an exchange, it's generally safe, but it's not the most secure way to store it long term. Think of it like this. Leaving your crypto on an exchange is like leaving cash in your wallet. It's fine for everyday transactions, but you wouldn't keep your life savings there, right? That's where crypto wallets come in. These are like digital vaults for your crypto, and they offer an extra layer of security. For this example, we'll use MetaMask, a popular software wallet. Once you've set up your MetaMask wallet, you can transfer your Ethereum from Binance to your MetaMask address. This way, you have full control over your crypto, and it's much more secure. Congratulations, you've made your first crypto purchase. You're officially part of the crypto revolution. But the journey doesn't end there. The crypto market is like a roller coaster. It's constantly moving, with new developments happening all the time. That's why staying informed is crucial. You don't want to be caught off guard by a sudden market shift or miss out on a promising opportunity. One of the easiest ways to stay updated is to set up Google Alerts. This free tool allows you to receive email notifications whenever there's news about your chosen keywords, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto you're interested in. By staying informed, you'll be able to make more informed decisions about your investments and navigate the market with more confidence. Now, Google Alerts is just one tool in your crypto news arsenal. There are tons of other resources out there that can help you stay ahead of the curve. For example, CoinDesk and Cointelegraph are two popular websites that provide in-depth coverage of the crypto market. They publish news articles, analysis pieces, and even have podcasts you can listen to on your commute. Another great way to stay informed is to follow influential figures in the crypto space on social media. People like Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, often share their insights and perspectives on Twitter. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market and make smart investment decisions. All right, so you've dipped your toes into the crypto waters, you've built a diversified portfolio, you're staying informed. That's fantastic, but the crypto market is like a roller coaster ride with unexpected drops. That's volatility for you. High potential returns come with high risks. It's about being prepared, not scared. Protect your investment with risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Slow and steady wins the race in the crypto world. Make rational decisions, and remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Another crucial aspect of risk management is keeping a close eye on your portfolio. Regularly track your investments and make adjustments as needed. Portfolio tracker apps like Delta and CoinStats are handy. They offer real-time overviews and features like price alerts. As the market moves, your asset allocation might shift. Rebalancing helps maintain your desired risk level. Remember, managing risk is an ongoing process. So, you've mastered the basics of crypto. Now what? The rabbit hole goes deeper, my friends. Explore advanced strategies like staking. Staking puts your money to work. Lock up crypto to support blockchain operations. Earn rewards in return, like earning interest, but with higher returns. Popular for proof-of-stake blockchains like Cardano. Choose a platform that supports staking. For Cardano, Daedalus is a great option. Remember, staking has risks. Research lockup periods and choose wisely. Staking can grow your crypto holdings. The crypto space is constantly evolving. Stay curious and keep learning. Successful investors adapt and evolve. Explore advanced options like DeFi and NFTs. Always do your own research. DAO. Make informed decisions. Consult a financial advisor. There you have it, your 10-step guide to investing in crypto from beginner to pro. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be exciting and potentially rewarding, but it's essential to approach it with caution, knowledge, and a solid plan. Follow these steps, stay informed, and continuously adapt your strategies as the market evolves. Be patient, be diligent, and never stop learning. The crypto world is full of possibilities. Go out there and explore them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more crypto tips and tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.